Magbabalik po kami dito sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Think about this. A refreshing drink that's packed with vitamin C. Something delicious that helps boost immunity. Tastes good, but it's also good for you. It's got to be Smart C. Why just drink Smart C? You can also drink to get a daily dose of vitamin C.
We are watching.
That's when you start.
Watching much.
Which is Smart C? What do you think? Get the latest updates and sketches of your favorite sports and action shows on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Play hard. Bumabati po kami ng magandang araw sa ating mga kapamilya sa Kalibo, Bacolod, Cebu, Dumaguete, Salamat!
Yes, grabe. Sayang, wala ka rito. But,
Okay
you
na
can
rin.
watch it,
Okay
yes.
na rin.
ABS-CBN Sports in Action.
There's a lot of action. In the lead, 16-12. Good block by Kasuga. Gala. You know, FEU is so confident. This position of the court. Even the way you are waiting for attacks, hindi katulad kanina ng first set that they look nervous. When Masalos just launching pad pa lang, parang itsura nila. Puntos na. Ngayon, ibang-iba yung itsura nila.
Set is too many different. FEU in this set.
The girls are the three-time champions.
Last play, look that solid block.
That's what we're talking about.
Because I was waiting for a solid play coming from Rizal. Kasi hindi sila makawa ng good play. Let's see if they capitalize on that solid block by Gana.
In volleyball, sometimes we are 16 all, 16-12. Four straight points, but Shaq disappointed with this rally of Lasal. Fajardo serving. Again, they give away a ball. Chance. Let's listen in. The errors of FEU came from being tentative, not from aggression yung kanina.
Nakaka-frustrate when you're Coach Shaq. Kasi ganda na nung pinagalingan from the second set and then lumamang pa dun sa third set. Pero ang naling nahabol ng Lasal because of their errors. Hindi man Lasal It wasn't